Hello and welcome back to Trading Unchained. Today I will be looking at Link. This is the monthly time frame on Binance. It is Link USD, not USDT, not BUSD. It's just Link USD. Okay. It's a bit hard for me to analyze it, and I don't know what's the next move. I will tell you what I'd like to see first. So on monthly, we have this triple top, let's call it, that I'd like to see it broken. And here we have the so-called double bottom. So this is the monthly. We'll get back on the weekly and daily in a minute. So this is another area of liquidity. Where's the liquidity? Here. So on monthly, what I'd like to see is a push down here, down to 4, and then a breach above. So if the price comes down here, I will be looking for some buys up to at least 9.6. So this means, let's say exactly from here, this would be 140-ish%. Alright, weekly. The weekly, all I see is this break below this order block. So if I'd be willing to take some profits if I buy now, considering that the price, let's say we think it goes higher, I would be willing to sell here. So that's 12. So if I'm buying now, we can have a first buy here. Come on. This means 125%. If the price goes lower from here, I don't like this double bottom, so I'd like to see this liquidated, the price coming down towards this monthly level and then push it higher. So that means that we can have, if we buy at 4, around 200%. That's a 3x. Okay, so we have this order block. Let's call it order block, not the arrow. This template order block. This is a weekly order block for me. Now on the weekly, on the same area, oh look, we have a fair value gap here, an imbalance exactly here. So if we are willing to buy, let's have in mind this fair value gap left behind. We also have one here that is being filled at this very moment. But hard to say. Yes, it is a fair value gap, or more like an imbalance for me. So we can make a first buy here. We can buy here also at 4 and then below 3. For now, this is all I have. This is all I'm looking at. This candle here, as you see, it took some liquidity, pushed back. I did not want to see this broken, but it went down. It didn't close, so this is fine, which means that now for me, this whole area, this whole candle, including the wick, is an area where I would like to see Link going, stay here a while, and then we can potentially see it going higher. So this is what I'd like to see, Link going below 4. For now, if we buy here and the price rallies, we will have to take profits at, what's this, around 9 and 12. So that's 70% and 125%-ish. So yeah, that's it for now. Let's look on smaller time frames. I'm curious what we have, which is the daily. We gotta have in mind the same double bottom we saw here, which is liquidity, so we can see this being broken. I'd like to see the price coming down here, and then maybe for a potential buy, pushing the price higher to 7.9 maybe, but nothing for now. Nothing for now. Smaller time frames, 12 hours. We have this order block here. It is an order block. So we can see it pushing down and then here. But for now, I keep my idea of wanting to see the price lower. Stay safe.